At Fleet Complete, we know the risks and challenges drivers face on the road every day. Maintaining safety is always a top priority, but even the safest drivers encounter risky situations along their travels. FC Vision helps to greatly reduce the likelihood of a collision by identifying road risks through the power of advanced driver assistance systems, also known as ADAS. With our forward collision warning, you can better protect your vehicles, drivers, passengers, cargo, and others sharing the road. FC Vision consists of an AI-powered dual-facing dash cam and powerful mobile and web applications engineered for commercial fleets of any size. Encourage your drivers to stop risky driving behaviors by emitting customizable, audible in-vehicle alerts. With live streaming, fleet managers also have access to a secure, real-time view of drivers and road conditions to identify potential risks, provide live coaching, and proactive safety monitoring. Up to 100 minutes of live streaming per device is offered on select plans. This real-time information raises the bar on fleet safety. It helps to coach drivers on the hazards of distracted driving, speeding, lane drifting, tailgating, and tagging events for future review. The Fleet Complete Hub platform stores driving events, enabling fleet managers to run driver behavior reports on speeding, harsh braking, mobile phone use, and more. In the event of an accident, commercial drivers often get blamed. However, access to these events can exonerate drivers and mitigate insurance rate increases. FC Vision enriches driver coaching sessions. It provides important context for new hires during the onboarding process and helps to incentivize and reward your safest drivers. Remind them they are an ambassador for your company, and aggressive driving reflects negatively on your business and drastically affects their safety on the road. FC Vision enables your team to be proactive about fleet safety and aggressive driving. Visit fleetcomplete.com and request a free demo today.